Hello children, today we are going to learn animals and their homes. As we all need homes to live, in the same way animals also have their homes. So let's have a look. What are the names of their homes? A dog lives in a kennel. A dog lives in a kennel. Kennel, kennel. Okay, you can see here in this picture, this house of dog is called kennel. Okay. Where does a cow live? A cow lives in a shed. A cow lives in a shed. In this way, sheds are made for cows and they live in sheds. Okay. Cow lives in shed. S-H-E-D, shed. Sh-ed. Sh-ed. Shed. S-H-E-D, ed. Shed. S-H-E-D, shed. A cow lives in a shed. A horse lives in a stable. Where does a horse live? A horse lives in a stable. In this way, stables are made for horses. Okay, where they get their food, water, everything. So, stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. S-T-A-B-L-E, stable. A horse lives in a stable. Now, which animal is this? This is a lion. It is a lion. And where does a lion live? A lion lives in a den. A lion lives in a den. D-E-N, den. The-N, den. A lion lives in a den. Bird. What is this? Bird. Where does a bird live? A bird lives in a nest. You all know birds make nest for them. Yes. So a bird lives in a nest. N-E-S-T, nest. N-E-S-T, nest. A bird lives in a nest. Okay. Now what is this? It is a duck. And where does a duck live? A duck lives in a pond. Duck lives in a pond. Okay, you can see there are so many ducks in this pond. Yes, pond. P-O-N-D, pond. Pond, 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 pond. Okay, a duck lives in a pond. And where does a fish live? Fish lives in water. A fish lives in water. We can see fish in aquarium, in ponds, in rivers. Okay, so a fish lives in water. W-A-T-E-R, water. Water, water. W-A-T-E-R, water. A fish lives in water. Who is this? It is naughty monkey. Where does a monkey live? A monkey lives on a tree. A monkey lives on a tree. T-R-E-E, tree. T-R-E-E, tree. A monkey lives on a tree. Wow, what is this? It is cute rabbit. Where does a rabbit live? A rabbit lives in a burrow. A rabbit lives in a burrow. B-U-R-R-O-W, burrow. B-U-R-R-O-W, burrow. And what is burrow? Burrow, rabbit digs it itself. And you can see here in this picture. Yes, this is the big hole you can see. Yes. So in this way, rabbit makes burrow. Okay. It digs the earth and makes a big hole, big space for him to live, and it is called burrow. Okay. Now children, I hope you all have understood all these names of homes of animals. Now, let's enjoy a song on animals' homes. Yes, ready? Okay. So, let's enjoy a song. Dear lion, where do you live? Dear lion, where do you live? I live in a den, joyful and happy. I live in a den, joyful and happy. Dear horse, where do you live? Dear horse, where do you live? I live in a stable, joyful and happy. I live in a stable, joyful and happy. Dear rabbit, where do you live? Dear rabbit, where do you live? I live in a burrow, joyful and happy. I live in a burrow, joyful and happy. Dear duck, where do you live? Dear duck, where do you live? I live in a pond, joyful and happy. I live in a pond, joyful and happy. Dear birdie, where do you live? Dear birdie, where do you live? I live in a nest, joyful and happy. I live in a nest, joyful and happy. Dear monkey, where do you live? Dear monkey, where do you live? I live on a tree, joyful and happy. I live on a tree, joyful and happy. I live on a tree, joyful and happy. So children, have you enjoyed this song? Yes? Okay. So, thank you. Have a great day. Learn names of all the animals' homes and learn the song also. Thank you. Bye-bye.